Hello everyone, this is Nagendraya. I hope you guys are fine there. In today's video, I'm going to show you different types of borders available in CSS. Okay guys, let's start. Guys, there are 9 different types of borders available in CSS. Okay, if you want to show your data in a tabular form, that time borders comes into picture. Okay, and also if you want to show your data effectively, means you should use borders. Let's start then. First of all, save a file. I'm going to save my file in this border folder. I'm going to save it as border.html. I'm going to name it as CSS borders. No border here. This is groove. This is groove border. Double. This is double border. Solid. This is solid border. Dash. This is dashed border. Insert. This is insert border. Offset. This is outside border. Ridge. This is ridge border. Dotted. This is dotted border. Let's start styling this. P dot none. Border style is none. Border style is groove. Border width is 5 pixels. Border color is red. Control S, save your file. Let's run and check now. See guys, we got groove border. And check this also. We gave this border style as none, so there is no border here. Let's style remaining also. P dot double border style is double. Border width is 5 pixels. Border color is blue. I'm going to copy this. Control C. Control P. style is color is yellow. Border style is dashed. Color is crimson. Inset. Border style is inset. Color is indigo. Border style is outset. Background color is orange. Red. Red. Color is violet. Control V. Long stays dotted. Color is brown. Control is save your file. Let's run and check now. See guys how beautiful it is. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button so that you won't miss my upcoming videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you won't miss my any notifications. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye guys.